Alright, Tesla fam, let's be real. We spent a small fortune on this sleek spaceship on wheels, and yet, one trip to Costco later, and the interior looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. At least mine does. Let's kick things off with the trunk seal plate protectors. This is the armor your trunk never knew it needed. No more cringing every time you slide in heavy items in the back of your brand new Tesla. These protectors stick on clean, fit like a glove, and make your trunk look extra premium. The best part? They look stock. The sides attach via hook and loop, and the bottom uses 3M tape. No tools needed. Next up, the seat slide rail protectors. Tesla left this area exposed, which means it's a dirt magnet and a shoe scuff festival. Not to mention, it doesn't exactly scream premium with all the bare metal and wiring. These little rail guards install in seconds and stop dirt, hair, and mystery gunk from setting up camp under your seat. It also helps ease my final destination fear of a water bottle rolling under the brake pedal from the back seat. Say hello to the seat back covers for the second row. Over the years, I tried my best not to get this area dirty and gave up quickly. It's impossible. But now, I got options. Go with seat covers or start with these back liners. They look and feel rugged, and I definitely get this before committing to a full seat covers. Or, why not both? Double protection makes miracles. These covers install with hook and loop, wipe clean easily, and give off a tactical vibe. Anything with felt that traps dirt has to go. Up next is this complete mat set. Trunk, frunk, sub-trunk, and even that hidden lower cubby. No storage zone left behind. Water, crumbs, pet hair, bring it on. These mats are like the tactical weather shield for your Tesla cargo zones. We used the sub-trunk way more than the frunk, and I swear, it was dirty the moment we left the dealership. And again, felt material. Why? Last but not least, the front door seal protectors. And honestly, my favorite. Every time I step in, with shoes or barefoot, my Tesla sighs a little. My favorite part, there's a coin slot. I use it for coins, but it's designed to hold small lost item, like a built-in lost and found. And weirdly, the coins don't even move. Physics, I guess. This protector matches the OEM look, installed without tools, and take daily abuse like champs. I didn't even use the 3M tape. Just place it on, and it held perfectly, thanks to the Tesla rubber seal. Bonus time. Let's talk about a spot that gets way more abuse than you think. The rear of your center console. That narrow area your legs brush off against every time you're chilling in the back while full self-driving is doing its thing. Yeah, it gets wrecked fast. This rear trash can is rigid, blends in like it came from the Tesla factory, and comes with a lid, in case you want to put something on top. And the slot is big enough to toss in tissues, and maybe even your issues. It sticks on securely with the included tape, won't slide around, and gives that premium touch that feels factory installed, but better. Highly underrated mod for front and back passengers. So if you're ready to protect your secret gaming room on wheels, these protectors have you covered. Links and everything are below. And yep, they fit both 5 and 7 seaters model-wise. Smash that like button if you're tired of mystery stings, and hit subscribe for more Tesla hacks, gear, and survival tips for parenting in an EV.